Hello everybody. Sorry for looking like a wreck. It's my second day off this week and I stayed home all day to wait for this package. This is only the first part of the Amazon order I was telling you about, but there's something in here I really want to use for work tomorrow. So we're going to go ahead and dig into this part, and the other part should be here hopefully by Saturday. Okay, I have this right here. This is supposed to be a skull pocket watch, and again, no invoice. This is getting me to be a habit with some of these places, not sending a shipping invoice. Here we have the watch operating instructions. Congratulations on your purchase of a hand-winding mechanical skeleton watch from Shopwatch. It is handcrafted with mechanical components and is not a battery-operated quartz watch. It therefore needs to be wound every 24 hours so that enough kinetic energy is stored in its mainspring. Blech. And then it has the instructions. I wanted to get a pocket watch because at work they get mad if we reach into our pocket to check cell phones for time. Here's a lovely hook. And here is the watch. Isn't it lovely? It says it's a skeleton pocket watch. I'm not sure why they call it a skeleton because I don't see a skeleton. Although you can see the inside of the watch. But then again, I'm not sure. I guess I can clip it to my work vest pocket. Then again, I don't know. Maybe I won't take it to work. I might be afraid to lose it. Because this isn't quite sturdy. Okay, let's make this quick because I'm probably burning my supper. And does it say where it's made? Doesn't say on the box. Let's see if it says on the paper. No, it doesn't. It just has the components of the watch. And here we have the first pair of bloomer pants, which I'm hoping will be long enough to wear to work. Yes, I'm trying to put together a type of look which consists of these bloomer type pants. This is an extra large and hopefully it fits properly. It's made in China, so this might be kind of tiny. We'll see. Okay. It's a thin material. You can see through it. Trying to see if I can find what it's made of. And it doesn't say. It's a polyester of some sort, I think. Most likely it's synthetic. And it has the authentic detailing pretty much of the elastic around the legs here and around here. Lace and some nice ruffles. I'm going to try and put this on really quick and see how it fits. And we're back. And they fit nicely. I'm trying to see if you can see the detailing. Come over here with the lights a little bit better. You can see the ruffles and the lace. Hopefully the lighting is not that great. Perhaps we can come over here and take, maybe there's more light here. Guess I'll do a suitable try-on video at some point. But that's the bloomers. They do fit. They're going to have to go in the wash, cold water, maybe hand wash, not in the dryer. And most likely these will have to wait till summer when I can wear them with a long t-shirt. And they are long enough to wear to work. I'll just have to set up some kind of situation to where they won't show too much. Okay, that's it. Let me put you down. And I will take a look at this video and see how it is. If it's not that great, then we probably won't post it. I do have another pair of pants coming Saturday, and I will show you those as well. Again, to keep it dark, keep it weird. I will see you in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you wish. And hit the notification bell for more videos. Until next time, love you guys. Bye.